Oh, the light came on. There she is. Good morning. Guess she woke me up at 6:30. 6:30 in the morning. She's whining, so I took her out. She immediately peed. Now it's raining today. Brought her back in, let MJ out. Was laying in the bed, hoping to get back to sleep with her. She starts whining again like crazy. I'm like, oh, okay. And then so I took her out again, and she pooped. So that's our signal to go out, is very whiny. Whoops, I hit the wrong button, didn't I? You're so cute. Look at that little back leg. A yucky, rainy day. We're gonna go for a very short walk. This one didn't even want to leave the house. She's like, this sucks. I don't want to go out there and get wet. But that's okay. Oh, geez, it's starting to come down. MJ, come on, we're done. So it's let up a little bit. We stood under the pine tree till the rain stopped a little for a couple minutes. So hopefully, good girl. I don't know, maybe she's learning. She's pretty smart. Learning not to jump up. No, don't jump up on her. She can be so sweet. Yes, you can. There's her spot. What a sweet little face. You're so good. We went out in the rain to pee. With raincoat and umbrella and everything. On the bed. Oops. And she did real well. She peed right away. But you wanted to go play, didn't you? You were like, take me to go play. That's not a good thing. That's not a good thing. But we're back inside. She came right back in and got into bed like it's the kind of day it is. A lazy day. Just to lay about. What a good girl. Yep. What you doing? Yes, you're sweet. You're wet. I tried to walk. It's been raining all day. Hey, your eyes look blue there. Yeah. Come on. Come down the stairs. Wanna come down? Come on. Come down the stairs. Come on. Come on. You got this. Come on. Come on. No. No. Okay. Here goes a little puppy butt.